Hi, in this video I will show you how to turn on notification sounds on your WAHOO Elemnt Bolt 3 cycling computer. To turn on notification sounds, you need to open settings, press button on the left side to do that. If you have opened before different screen, you need to use page button to switch between screens and go to the device settings, then scroll down to sounds, notifications, and using this middle button you can turn it off or on. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, subscribe to our channel and give us a like.